Hey guys, how you doing? Real quick, I stopped right here uh, on my walk because I was told by one of the subscribers that she hasn't gotten any notifications about videos being posted for months and months, and I was wondering if you guys have been getting the same results too. So I would ask a favor from you guys, if you can like and subscribe the videos again, and make sure that you like all the videos, because I think that they're trying to notify people. I'm not sure what YouTube is doing, but if you guys can do that favor for me, I would appreciate it. So please like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and make sure that you hit that bell to get notifications. Again, maybe if you have hit it before and it's not enabled, maybe that you can click it again so that you won't miss any of my videos, because I am coming up with more, and I have been trying my best to do as regular as I can, as consistent as I can, so that you guys don't miss a beat. And thank you so much, and I appreciate it. XOXO, love you.